Start by finding a comfortable space, whether sitting, lying down, or standing tall. Close your eyes gently and bring your awareness to the present moment. Allow yourself to fully let go of the outside world. In this moment, you are safe, you are calm, and you are in full control of your experience. Take a moment to feel the power of your breath. With each inhale, you are filling your body with peace and empowerment. With each exhale, you release any tension, any doubt, or any external influence. Today, we choose to release fear. Fear has no power over you because you are fearless. You are courageous. You are strong. You can face anything that comes your way. Let's say this affirmation together, allowing each word to fill your mind, body, and soul with strength. I am fearless. Pause for a moment. Let these words sink deep within you. Feel the power of this affirmation. You are fearless. Let go of any lingering doubt or fear and embrace your inner courage. I release all fears that hold me back. I no longer allow fear to control my actions, my thoughts, or my life. Fear is simply an illusion. I know that I am stronger than any fear I face. I choose courage over fear, and I trust in my ability to handle whatever comes my way. Take a deep breath. Visualize yourself standing tall, with unwavering courage. See yourself walking confidently toward your dreams, without hesitation or fear. I am fearless in the face of uncertainty. I know that the unknown is simply a part of the journey, and I embrace it with open arms. I trust that every experience, no matter how unknown, will serve me and help me grow. I step forward with trust and confidence, knowing that I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. Picture yourself walking into an unknown situation, one that might have once caused anxiety or fear. Now, see yourself entering it with complete confidence, knowing that you have the strength to navigate it with ease. I am fearless when I take risks. I understand that taking risks is a part of growth, and I am not afraid to step outside of my comfort zone. I trust that every risk I take is an opportunity for me to expand, learn, and become even more powerful. I embrace change, and I know that I am capable of thriving in new environments. I am fearless in the face of challenges. I do not shy away from adversity or difficulty. I know that every challenge is an opportunity for me to grow stronger and more resilient. I rise to every occasion, confident in my ability to handle whatever comes my way. I am fearless in my thoughts. I release any negative or limiting beliefs that feed my fears. I choose empowering thoughts that align with my goals, dreams, and aspirations. My mind is strong, clear, and focused, and I trust my thoughts to lead me towards success. I am fearless in my actions. I do not wait for the perfect moment or for fear to disappear. I take action now, knowing that each step I take moves me closer to my goals. I trust my ability to act decisively and with confidence, no matter the circumstances. I am fearless in the face of failure. I know that failure is not a reflection of who I am, but an opportunity to learn and grow. I do not let failure stop me. I embrace it as part of the process, knowing that each failure brings me closer to my success. I rise stronger every time I face a setback. I am fearless because I trust in myself. I know that I have the inner strength, wisdom, and resilience to face anything that comes my way. I trust that no matter what happens, I will always find a way to move forward. I believe in myself, and I trust my journey. Visualize yourself standing tall, confident in who you are. See yourself facing any situation with complete trust in your abilities, knowing that fear cannot diminish your power. You are fearless, and nothing can stand in your way.